Assalamu alaikum, student of grade 7. I hope you're all fine, feeling well. I hope you're having good time at your home. And in this lesson, we are going to start task number 4, that is logical functions. And the page number is 132. Okay, so for that we need MS Excel, and the first topic is the logical function. Now what does logical means? Logical, anything behind the logic, like if we buy the food within 200, and if it exceeds the range of 200, then it's expensive. If not, that it's cheap. Okay, if one student got 49 marks, he's fail. If not, then he is pass. So there is logic behind this, so we need to study about this, and for that we need to start our practical work. For that, okay, now let's start the practical work. First of all, we need to write our data. We need to write our data, and now let's start. Okay, so the first topic is making calculation with if. Making calculation with if, and let's start. Okay, so uh, let's start writing the data, like name, test 1, test 2. Okay, now then grade. Okay, there is a boy named Ali, Usman, Waqas, Ahmed, Amir. Okay, so let's say he has got 48 marks. He has got 90 marks. He has got 66. Ahmed has got 49. Amir has got 70. And the second test, 70, 85, 77, 87, and let's say he's got 33 marks. Okay, let's start with the start calculating the grade. Uh, for that we need to write the condition here. The condition is, I've told you before that before writing anything you have to write is equal to. Okay, is equal to if. Now in that if, we need to start with the bracket, the logical test, the logical functions. We have to write what will happen if. Now what will happen if b2 plus c2. Okay, b2 plus c2 is is greater than or equal to 90. If it is suppose if his marks is greater than or equal to 90. Oh, sorry, I have committed a mistake, because we are calculating from 100, so the marks should be within 100, like 48, 12, 33, 19, 33. Okay, then 44, and in that in that 44, okay, 39, 49, 39, and 19, and 40. So let's start calculating the grades now. Is equal to if, then start the bracket. What will happen if CB2 plus C2, alright, means both is greater than or equal to 90. Suppose his marks is 90 or 90 plus, like 91, 92, 93. So what will happen? His grade will be A. If not, then his grade is B. And then we have to close the bracket. Okay, enter. So his Ali grade is A. So what will happen, as I told you, just click on this and then everything is done. Everyone has got B except Ali. So that is our making calculations with if. That is so easy. It's very easy. Okay, so there is nothing to worry about this. So let's start with the next one, that is on page number 135, the chart, create a chart. So now we have to create a chart, okay, so first of all we need to write our data. We will write our data for that. Okay. All right. What do you mean by creating a chart? Now, first of all, you have to remember that creating a chart means, like so many of you have gone through the test in or exams in your school. So we, the administration team or the teachers, we calculate your grades. Then we what we do, we make a graph chart of your result of your grades. So now today I will show you how we create a graph and how we create your test. The name is written here. Okay, so the name is written, everything is written here. So let's start calculating. Okay, so first of all, let's erase everything. Everything is erased. Okay, so now let's start with the subject. Now we have to write the subject from down the subject one, like computer, English, Urdu, math. Okay, so okay, now there are let's start writing the student's name, like Alina, Aisha, what we can write, Hafsa, Hafsa, beside Hafsa, Aksa. Okay, now let's start. Alina has got 70 in computer, 80 in English, 80 in Urdu, and 85 in math. Same like Aisha has got 67, 69, 87, 85. Hafsa has got 92, 90, 87, 85, and Aksa has got 90, 88, 89, 86. Okay, so this is our data. So what will happen, we have to select each and everything. Okay, now everything is selected, everything is done. So what we need to do, we have to go in this insert option. Okay, now in this insert option we have chart one. Okay, we have chart one, so we can click on that. We can create any pie chart, we can create pie chart, we can create the column one, and for that we will have to select the column one, like histogram or whatever you can say, but like this, just a cursor, insert a static chart. There are so many other charts, we have 3D map, we have so many other chat. Okay, let's start with this one, that is insert column bar chart. So now we will create like this. Okay, now the result is done. We have Alina's result, we have Aisha's result, Hafsa's and Aksa. So we have the result in front of us. So this is how you create a chart. This is how you create someone's result, and we post on the information board as your result. So it's so easy. You just need to practice this at your home, and rest is very easy. All right. So your chapter number 4 is done, your course is done, everything is done. Even if you have got any type of query, you can ask your coordinators and I will help you in the next class. All right. Thank you so much.